Hi everyone, today we are going to be doing Gracie Abram's 10-minute makeup routine. First she uses skin tint, and for that I'm going to be using this one from House of Makeup. She took this skin tint and kind of like dotted all over and kind of used her fingers to tap the product in. This skin tint is so glowy, and if you're a dry skin person you're gonna love it. You can recreate the same look by using the products as you already have, so you don't have to always buy new things to achieve that same thing. And afterwards she used as concealer, and for that I'm going to be using this one from K-Beauty. She uses a finger to blend in her products just like that, so we're going to do the same. Next she used a milk contour to just like contour her face, and I'm actually going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. She takes a smaller brush and dip it in her pan, and then she just kind of used this as her eyeshadow just to carve out her eyelid, just like that, under her nose, and just to make her lips look more fuller. Then she used a cream highlighter. I'm going to be using this one from Nude Sticks, and she kind of warmed this up on her back of the hand and tap it onto her cheekbones just like so, and she puts some right on her inner corners just to brighten it up. After highlighting she actually uses a blush, and I'm going to be using this one from Kiro. This is the one. She does the same as her highlighter. She just took this right here on the back of her hands, and then she just kind of like blends it and warm this product up, and then she picked that up and put it all over her face just like so. Lastly, she's curling her lashes and not putting any mascara on. This way is so weird to me because if I even curl my lashes it's gonna literally fall down again. So I don't know the purpose of this, but let's just do that. And she also didn't put any lip product on as well. That's I'm fine with because my lips naturally are a little bit on a pinkier side. Okay, so we are done with our makeup. She actually didn't really use any powder onto her face. I feel like if I don't use a powder, it's gonna literally crease under my eyes, over my eyelid as well, and also I think this makeup will not last a longer time. I feel like this is not a very practical kind of a makeup on daily basis, because if you go out like this, if you have an oily skin, this kind of makeup will literally melt off within an hour. But if you have a dry skin, it might exceed a few hours. But this kind of makeup is definitely not practical in real life, and especially the summers are coming, this is gonna be no. Other than that, I feel like it's looking super fresh, super glowy, super pretty. It's giving no makeup vibes. Just love it. Let's end this video right here. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until that, bye.